guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a fuel pump install on the Widebody FRS, and we're going to do it this early in the build because we want to make sure the engine will have enough fuel, so whenever we do some engine modding, so that everything will be fine, because it is one of the most important parts of the vehicle. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we have a fuel pump that I actually got from a friend, and this fuel pump has a, I think I say it right, it's a DeatschWerks 300 fuel pump. It's a in-tank, it's a high volume fuel pump, and supposedly it takes in about 5 to 6 times more fuel than the stock pump. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this thing apart and see exactly what that fuel pump is and how to install it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and took apart the fuel pump, and here we have the DeatschWerks 300C fuel pump, and this is the fuel pump that we're going to be installing into the Widebody. And this is the fuel system that comes with it. This is what takes in the fuel, and it looks about, I don't know, the stock one is very small and this one is just much larger, so hopefully we'll be getting the right amount of fuel that we need for our car with all the mods that we do. And we're going to go ahead and pull the pump out of the Widebody and go ahead and install this. Alrighty guys, so we have the fuel pump out of the car, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install this DeatschWerks pump on the pump that I got from my friend. And luckily we have a new seal, so since the O-ring was busted on this pump over here, we have a new one. So we're going to go ahead and replace that so we don't have any fuel leaks, and we're going to go ahead and install this fuel pump into there right now. Alrighty guys, so we have the fuel pump assembled, and we did make sure to go ahead and tuck all these wires so that there is no issues with it picking up any of the fuel. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall this in the vehicle, and let's get to it. Alrighty, so we went ahead and installed that fuel pump. It was a little harder than expected, but we were able to install it, and we'll see the full result whenever we install a motor into this car and whenever we start doing some engine mods to it. So hopefully it'll hold up really well, and yeah. And sorry for the lack of uploads guys, I've just been very busy with school and stuff, but I hope to bring you guys some great videos more about this car, because we should be having a motor here soon and possibly doing some forced induction to this car. So, but we hope to bring you guys videos every Wednesday somewhere here near in the future, and I hope you guys have a good one. See you in the next one.